it's time for our secret weapon. Last year you loved her Irish dance, but this year she's all songbird. Please welcome little Tina. Go again.